Hello everyone, today we are going to see how to replace the charger pin of this Bluetooth speaker. The pin is actually damaged. I hope it is visible. So I want to replace this pin. Now it is actually micro USB. This I want to replace with type C. So let me dismantle this now. Friends, to open this it is little difficult. You have to just try to pull this cover out using a small screwdriver. I was able to open this much. Similar way we have to remove this cover completely. So this is how it looks, friends, once it is open. So there are 8 screws. We have to unscrew everything. Let me dismantle this now. Use a Phillips screwdriver. We can unscrew this. It is little difficult to open the mesh. You have to apply a little more pressure. We have to remove this cover also, friends, because there are another 2 screws in the end. To access this board we have to remove this. So we were able to dismantle the panel now. So in this we will be replacing only this one single pin over here, which is completely damaged actually. I'll be using this type of connector instead of these pins. So friends, finally the connector has been assembled to the panel. It is fixed now. So let us charge this and test it. I have connected the charger now. Here you can see a red light glowing inside. So when I remove the charger pin, it should stop actually. So it stopped. So let me assemble the panel, friends. Thank you. Subscribe for more videos.